Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 2-inch lift kit for the latest generation Toyota Land Cruiser. If you're looking for more than just a level kit for your Land Cruiser, the 2-inch kit may be the way to go for you. This is going to level and lift the vehicle 2 inches, giving you increased ground clearance for the trail and a commanding view on the highway. Let's take a look at our standard kit. We're going to lift the front with a series of strut spacers. Still no need to disassemble your strut. They simply bolt on. The rear, we're going to use coil spacers, and they come with our N3 performance shocks. Now this kit is going to get you sitting exactly where you want to be and get you where you want to go. But if you want to upgrade, you can start by replacing the N3 shocks with our M1 monotubes. With the addition of the M1 in the rear, you're going to get a monotube shock. That means that the oil and the nitrogen never meet. It reduces cavitation. It's going to give you more performance off-road and a better ride on-road. And speaking of the M1, the final option for the kit is an upgrade to our lifted M1R strut. That is a monotube strut with a reservoir that's going to keep the fluid cool and again prevent cavitation. Now this is the ultimate option for the 2-inch lift. We are fully replacing the factory strut with a lifted monotube reservoir strut. That's going to increase performance on-road as well as off-road significantly. The addition of the reservoir means that the fluid is going to stay cooler, again, increasing off-road performance and giving you the best on-road ride possible. No matter which option you choose, Rough Country's got a 2-inch lift for your needs, your Land Cruiser, and your adventure. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.